Hey guys, so I'm doing something a little bit different on my channel today and I'm pretty excited. My daughter is going to be here with me and she wants to look like a tiger. So, for today's video, I will be using my new James Charles palette and I am super excited. I haven't been into this yet, so we're going to open it up. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh. Alright, now the fun part's going to be deciding which shades we're going to use for you to be a tiger.
Yay!
Yay! Alright. So, first things first, I'm going to put a little bit of primer onto her skin. That way, turn and look at me. We can do everything that we need to. Talk to him.
My name is Faith, and
Look at the camera.
My name is Faith, and
How old are you?
5.
What do you like to do?
I like to play video games.
When do you play video games?
Huh?
When do you play video games?
With Daddy.
Oh. What kind of games are they?
Makeup games.
Daddy has makeup games?
Yeah.
That's news to me.
On his phone.
Oh, on his phone. That you guys put on there?
Yeah.
Oh.
And we've got the Leno reindeers.
I think you're crazy.
But you can't touch him. Okay?
Okay. I'm going in with the shade Code James. We're going to make her face a nice orangey color. All right.
My shadow was going that way.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to go in with a different brush. And we are going in with the shade 518. Dusting it on her face.
See that? Cheeto. Show us your roar. Roar.
Yes, Serenity, will you go get your tiger toy for reference? Tyler the tiger? Is that what his name was?
The white one.
The one you guys got for Christmas last year. The orange mechanical tiger, Serenity. Okay. Well. Whoops. Okay. Let's go in with white.
Can I have some goldfish?
Some goldfish.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Thank you. Can I have goldfish at end?
Yeah.
Then we need a black lights.
So the tiger's eyelid is like a kind of bluish type color. Close your eyes. That's pretty dang close. And that was the shade Benny. Now, go and take the pencil brush and get back in your seat.
Spooky. The black is called Spooky.
Okay, well, she has a pink little nose. Look up. Okay.
Her lips.
Wait. You need colors.
Like lots of colors, huh?
Yeah.
The colors of the rainbow.
Baby, you kind of look like a tiger.
Yeah.
Light pink. So,
Here, light pink.
yep, this is a light pink, huh?
Mhm.
Okay, look at me.
Cute.
Okay. We'll just use this Max Factor mascara to
Okay.
open your eyes. Open. I know. All right. Let's see. Do you think
Roar.
you look like a tiger?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Roar, babe.
Hold on.
Yeah, the
I will go get the mirror. You sit there
Okay.
and look at the camera and show off your pretty face.
Okay.
You can tell some jokes.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell jokes, tell whatever.
So my sister crazy.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Well, so my mom just put mascara on me. Makeup.
She,
I'm a tiger.
You're a tiger.
she said, so my mom put mascara on me. Let me see your face.
She's gonna bite my face.
All right. Well, that is all for today's video. It's kind of hard to make a tiger on a little girl, but I had fun. She had fun. She looks like a tiger now, so she's happy. And we have like 3 more weeks of Christmas break, so...
And my name is Faith.
And this is Faith. But we have 3 more weeks or so of Christmas break, so my next video, maybe Serenity, will make an appearance, and I will do a fun look on her using the James Charles palette. So, let me know down in the comments below what kind of look you would want to see on my 9-year-old. Alright, well, please like and subscribe. Tell them, Faith, say please like and subscribe. Say subscribe.
Bye.
And we will see you next time.